Introducing the new Tukzer Stylus second generation pen with palm rejection technology. It weighs 19 grams and has the dimension of 10 × 3 × 1.6 centimeters. It has upgraded iPad stylus, is equipped with 1.0 millimeters POM pen tip with higher precision, responsiveness and natural fluidity that makes no lags or slips and gives smooth continuous lines. Turn on this active digital pencil for iPad by simply touching the cap button. It will automatically turn on sleep mode after idle for 5 minutes to save power. It comes with tilt sensor and it also has magnetic attraction. The best digital stylus for artists, designers, journalists, teacher or students to draw, color, paint or work on iPad. It feels just like writing on paper. This stylus pen is compatible for Apple iPad 2020, 10.2-inch 8th generation, 2019 7th generation, iPad 2018 9.7-inch 6th generation, iPad Air 2020 4th generation, 3rd generation, iPad mini 5th generation, iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 2nd generation, 2018 1st generation, iPad Pro 3rd generation 12.9-inch, iPad Pro 4th generation 12.9-inch. Note: not compatible with iPad version earlier 2018. The mounting hardware inside the box is Tukzer Stylus Pen. It requires no Bluetooth or app, Type-C faster charging and one free tip included. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.